In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the guest privilege. Remember, only the None privilege can read all the data in the data store. The doctor's data class inherits from this permission, so it is readable only by the None privilege. We try to read the doctor's data class. We have a permission error because we don't have the None privilege. Let's set up the guest privilege. The guest privilege means any user without any privilege. We select the doctor's data class as the resource and open the read access to the guest privilege. Thus, anybody can now read the doctor's data class. Let's create the guest role. We don't associate any privilege and leave it empty. We have a doctor's web form to display the doctors. Let's try to render it. A user with a guest role is authenticating themselves. We are authenticated as guest. We don't have any privilege, and we can display the doctors because the resource is readable by the guest privilege. Go on with watching this series and learn how to set up a privilege for the function execution. Thank you for watching.